Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a cooking vlog. It's a simple, easy and a home cooked meal that I have been cooking during my vacations, during my holiday. So let's begin. So there are two recipes. First we start with the veggie pakoras, or it's called bhaji, made from ground flour or basin. You can fry or air fry it. These are the ingredients. You can use any ingredients listed there. And then this is made with a little oil and it's very crispy and tasty. And these are the highlights for the next two recipes. So these are the ingredients. We are making fried rice, we are making white soy sauce pasta, and we are making red soy sauce pasta. So this is the white soy sauce. This is the sauce, not soya sauce, sorry, it's a sauce. These are the ingredients. So let's begin. So let's start with the tempeh fried rice, and these are the instructions. First, oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. Put the tempeh, and then put some salt and some chilies, and then mix it, and then put some cabbage or beans or any vegetables of your choice, and then put the rice. So your fried rice, which is rich in protein and vegan, it's ready, it's easy. So next one is white sauce pasta recipe. So first of all, you're boiling the pasta with some salt and oil, and then we are making the sauce. First of all, we are mixing the water with the atta or wheat flour, and then we are putting chili flakes, oregano on the stove without the oil, and then putting the coriander, then cream, and then some mushrooms. You can put any veggies of your choice. So here the sauce is ready. You can put some carrots or sweet corns or baby corns or carrots. So now put 2 cups of pasta on it, and then mix it for some time, and then keep it for some time. So then your pasta is ready, your macaroni pasta is ready. Then comes the red sauce pasta. It's the same process, only the sauce has been different. These are the few clips of the meals that I have prepared. Thanks for watching.